What's up, Skye? What's up, Skye Squad? If you're watching this, that means my merch is finally available. So I thought I'd make a video showing all the behind the scenes of how I made this merch drop happen, similar to what I did with the frog necklaces, if you saw that. There's also some frog necklaces still available, so you can purchase those on my website, but let's go. Before I get started, I want to give a special shout out to my friend Emma Childs who helped me design these shirts. Let me explain something really quick. I wanted to make t-shirts, but not just any t-shirts. I want it to be the full experience. I wanted something that no other TikTok creator or YouTube creator has ever done before. I don't know if you guys remember these magic towels. Well, I thought it would be a great idea to make magic t-shirts. So basically, I made two designs and you won't know which shirt you get until you put the shirt in water and reveal the design. Now I'm gonna play some more clips from each step of the process. So I got the first samples of the t-shirts today. Okay, so this is gonna be the first time seeing the t-shirts. I'm so excited I can't even speak. Wait, these are cute. That looks good. And then, wait, they're like, wait, that's cool. That's so cute. And then these are like them compressed and you put them in water. And then this is the second one. Yay, these are cute. I'm really happy with how they turned out. I just got the samples, as you guys saw. So right now I am shopping online for really cute outfits so that I could style the shirts for the photo shoot. And I wanted to something Valentine's themed or like love themed because the shirt says I love me. So I found these heart pants that I think I'm gonna order. They're pretty cute. So I just got part 2 to the whole merch drop. So last time I made merch, the frog necklaces, the first 50 people got stickers, but this time I made tattoos and there should be enough for everybody. Since the design will be a mystery when you order it, I'm gonna include tattoos with both designs. So even if you don't get one shirt, you still have a tattoo of the other design. Okay, so that is the City Girl design and this is I Love Me. Quick update, everybody. Basically, it's been snowing in New Jersey the past few days, so a lot of things have been getting delayed, and I ordered an outfit to shoot the merch with. That's not here. The merch isn't here. I have the samples, but I want to wear a size small, I think, to shoot the merch, so it's more tight-fitting. And I'm supposed to shoot Sunday, but if I don't get those things, I can't shoot Sunday, and then everything's gonna get pushed back. And I'm just so flipping excited for this whole thing that I really just want to show everyone. But I'm gonna put on a temporary tattoo right now. I'm gonna put it somewhere where like you can't see it, because this isn't gonna be like the real one. This is just me testing it. I'm gonna get some water. I'm gonna like put it on my hip right here, I think. So we peel the backing off. I think I'm gonna need more water than this. Well, actually, no. Okay, moment of truth. Oh my god, that looks so good. These look so good. It'll look really cute like on your wrist, maybe like right here. I want to shoot a bunch of outfit photos on different ways to style, or make a styling video on TikTok maybe, but I got this piece for one of those outfits and this is like me. This screams me. First of all, it's Moschino, and growing up Moschino was like my favorite designer ever. Okay, it is a neon green vest. It has a heart in the back, which is just so on point for this. And it just has like this little description about love. I finally got all the shirts. I got my nails done. I am so ready to take these photos. So as you can see, it's cold out and snowy here in New Jersey. So I bought turf because I wanted the shirts to be shot on grass, and there's no grass to be seen. I have Julia to help me. No. You guys already know that I got the temporary tattoos, but I put another one on, the City Girl one. And I think it looks pretty cute with my nails. And I got a tramp stamp, but let me explain my inspirations for this drop. Cue the clip. So basically the inspo for these shirts came from me cleaning my room the other day and finding a bunch of things from the early 2000s from my childhood. First up is this Loehmann's bag, and Loehmann's was literally my favorite store ever because they had such discounted prices on high-end brands. But I really liked the silhouette in this, so there's definitely a silhouette in the shirts. So the next one is this classic I Heart New York shirt. This is just such a traditional piece when you visit New York, but I made mine a little Basically, my shirts say I love me instead of New York, because you know what? Self-love is what it's all about. This is a in-depth tutorial of how to properly unbox your t-shirt. Okay, unpackage the shirt. You can just put the whole shirt in a tub of water, under the sink, in your bathtub, whatever your heart desires, and you will see it start to expand. Also, since I made 2 designs, you don't know which one you're getting, but you can buy a 2-pack so that you get both designs. Okay, right now I'm headed into the city to shoot my merch and I'm driving, so I'm not looking at the camera. But I am so excited. I put together really cute outfits. I got the heart pants that were previously in this video. They were a little big, so I had to sew them, but they fit pretty well now. I'm feeling really cute. I'm really excited. As soon as I get these pictures done, I can launch everything, and I can't wait for you to see everything. I've worked so hard on this and I'm like really, really, really excited. Okay, I'm gonna put my camera down just in case now. Okay, bye. To wrap this video up, I want to explain a giveaway I'm doing. Whoever creates the best unboxing video on TikTok or outfit photo on Instagram is going to win a full style bundle from me. Make sure you tag me. I will be checking out everybody's submissions and I'll be picking the winner on March 11th, which is my mom's birthday. Now, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video, and it would mean the world to me if you checked. Now I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure you head over to viennasky.com to get yourself a shirt. Oh my god.